Now that you have all of your data organized, you can start to graph it. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to highlight the columns that you want to graph. So I'm not going to go all the way back in time. I'm just going to go back through the 1800s. Though we could go back to like 1100 with this set of data. It's just going to be easier to show you using a small set of data. So once you have all that data in, it allows you to start to graph it, and it gives you choices. Usually I don't pay much attention to these choices because if I switch here to charts, it gives me a whole new set of options. Some good ones that I like to use are the scatter option, and once you choose scatter, you can click that and it gives you kind of a graph of what's been happening over the time. Or the other option is this trend option, which graphs the year and the temperature, but you can kind of see the pattern of what's happening to temperature from beginning to start. So I'm going to go with the scatter option. I'm going to click this and I'm going to customize. I can make a title for my chart. I will call it temperature based on data for Donald Lake. And then I can add information about my axes. So the horizontal axis is the year. And then I can switch to vertical, and the vertical is the now I can insert. And it doesn't always appear right at the top of the page, but usually if I scroll up and down I can find it somewhere. So that's how I get my graph. There will be later videos on how you can figure out what trends are in this data.